What's up, everyone? And before you hit that skip button, skip ad, or skip the video, give me a few seconds and let me show you what Forex is all about. Alright guys, before we get started, make sure you go to my profile here and on the video, and make sure you click this button right here where it says subscribe. You'll subscribe to my channels. Also, there will be a bell icon here to the right where you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. As you can see, I have a lot of content on there so far, and I will be actually putting more daily and weekly. Okay, so basically, what is Forex? How does Forex work? You first need to start off with a broker, guys. A broker. This is the first broker I've ever used. It's called Trader's Way. Alright, so you can get them on tradersway.com. Alright, the minimum deposit with this broker is $10. Alright, you deposit $10, it goes into your trading platform, you start to trade. You could trade here, if you could see, Euro USD, GBP USD, USD Swiss, USD JPY. Okay, another one is AAFX. That's another one that you could look up. I believe it's aafx.com. It's another broker. All right, let's just jump straight into it. Excuse me. So here is the platform for trading. Boom. This is what you'll see, guys. Okay, when you download the broker, they give you the excuse me, they give you the app to download to your laptop or tablet or cell phone or whatever it is, and this is how it'll look. Now you can adjust it how you want it, but this is how the market goes. This is how it is. This pair in particularly is USD, NZD, and USD. That's New Zealand dollar and United States dollar. Okay, now you can do different things. You could go to properties. Now again, this is free knowledge I'm giving you guys, so some people don't know what Forex is. You know, you could make a substantial amount of money. If you could, as you can see here, there's a, let me get out of here. There's the 1 minute chart up here. I don't know if you can see it. 5 minute chart, 15 minute chart, 30 minute chart, hour chart, 4 hour chart, daily, weekly, and monthly. Now you can make money on a minute chart. You can make money on the 5 minute chart. You can make money on the 15 minute chart. And the longer time frames are for actually longer trades. You can hold them for longer periods of time. Okay, so let's actually go to properties. You can change the colors of the bars. Okay, but I'm not gonna do that right now for you guys. I'll do that some other day. Click here. Chart moves. Alright, this is the price. Okay, this is at the bottom here. We have the dates, and over here is the price. Okay, so let's take out. Let's see, what should we take out here? Let's take out the grid. Kind of annoying here. You put a black. All right. We don't want this. We want candlesticks. There we go. Candlesticks. Now it's pretty simple, guys. I'll get more into depth with this. If you want to learn more, I'll probably make more videos about it. But typically, you have to know where the market is going. You have to know support and resistance. Like for example, support, resistance. It goes to the 4 hour chart. The market also creates higher highs, higher lows. So you're gonna want to distinguish which way the market is going. Up for a buy or down for a sell. You have to catch pips. Okay, you have to catch pips in the market. For example, from here up here to down here, it's about 65 pips, 81 pips, 101 pips. That's equivalent to $101. That's equivalent to $1,001. That's equivalent to, $10,000. It's pretty amazing. So that's all, guys, for that video on how to start, Forex. So if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe below. Click on the bell icon as well, so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. I'm going to do more videos about Forex, about trading and Shopify, things of that nature. So till next time, take care and God bless.